see, what else have we done? I attended Lobby from Home, or I attended Legislative Day yesterday at the state capitol, which was kind of interesting. I've never done it before, and I took vacation time to go because Bonnie McEwen, our Northwest director, said we really need people there. We really need you to talk to your legislators while we're there, and because this year is such a hard funding year for everybody, and it means a lot, though, as far as our LSAs and keeping our LSAs, because they did, you guys might remember, they did that whole reorganization bill last year. The legislature tasked the Iowa Library Association with creating a whole new model for library services in Iowa. And so they came up with this plan that would combine the state library and our library service areas into one agency, so everybody would be considered a state employee. And it's not the best thing, and I think all of us agree it's not the greatest thing, but because it does hurt small libraries because we won't get the same service we were getting before. And so I did speak with Representative Worthen, Gary Worthen. He was there and he came in and talked to me, and I kind of told him how it impacted small libraries, and I didn't speak to Steve Kettering. He wasn't there, so. But it was interesting. It was kind of neat how that whole thing works. And